Facebook Lite is a smaller version of the Facebook app that works well with all of the phones with limited storage and slower internet. You can make video calls to your friends directly within the app, so you don't need to install the messenger. And here's how to make a video call. Go ahead, open your Facebook Lite application. Go ahead, find your friend, or simply open the conversation or the chat section and go to the chat or conversation of the specific person that you want to. On the chat, you'll see the option of call and video call and settings in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on this video call icon over here to start a video call with that specific person. The video call will begin and your friend will receive a notification to join. A stable internet connection will ensure smoother video calls. And during the call, you can mute your microphone, switch between the front and the back camera. You can also add filters and do various things over there and end the call. Facebook Lite might not support group video calls. Use Messenger Lite or the regular Messenger app for group calls. And if you don't see the video call button, update the app to the latest version. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.